Continuing with my 3 sauces every household should know. This one, I'm gonna bring you, so good, a mango rum hollandaise. We brunching it up on this episode. Let's go. Hollandaise is a classic egg-based emulsion, delicate, rich, and made with butter and lemon. It's one of the trickiest sauces to get it right, but once you do, the world opens up. From Hollandaise, you get béarnaise with tarragon, charron by adding tomatoes, or even a mousseline, which is added whipped cream. It usually served with egg benedict or asparagus, but I said, let's take it tropical. So I added a little mango puree, a splash of white rum, a touch of cayenne and lime. Now we've got brunch sauce that slaps. Spoon it over crab cakes, grilled fish, or roasted veggies. And you just leveled up your brunch game. Let's start making this masterpiece. Like I said, this is one of the most trickiest sauces that's in the professional kitchen. A lot of people have problems with this because they end up breaking it. But I'm gonna show you guys the right way, because I used to make a lot of this every day when I'm back in my hotel and country club days. But of course, I'm gonna elevate this here, my mango rum. Oh, this is gonna be nice. So we're gonna go on back here. What you need to get is your a heat-proof container. What I got is a stainless steel bowl. If you got a stainless steel bowl, that's even better. And I got a whisk. Okay, so I'm gonna take my heat-proof bowl. I'm gonna add my egg yolks. This is what we're starting off with, egg yolks. And I got some lime juice. Now, we're gonna put this over here. You don't want this here to touch the water. If you notice, I got some water here getting warm. It's not boiling, it's just a little slight simmer. Not even a slight simmer, beneath that. And we're gonna put this over. What we wanna do now is cook these eggs. Let me turn it so you guys can see. What we wanna do is cook these eggs and keep mixing it vigorously back and forth, a figure-8 motion, just like this. Now, this bowl, this heat-proof bowl, it takes the heat very fast. So pay attention to what I'm here doing. As I'm doing this, it's gonna get thicker and frothy. I'm incorporating air into it, but I'm cooking it at the same time. So I'm accomplishing 2 things right now. Yes. Sauce nice and smooth is coming. This sauce here is perfect for eggs benedict, the crab cakes like I was telling you, put it over asparagus. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I'm bringing you. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And please, share, make a comment. Let me know if there's something you would like to see me make, and I will shout you guys out. So see how fast this is coming up? I'm getting nice and frothy. And the eggs are cooking. So if you think the eggs are cooking too fast on you, you can take it up. Take it up and put it back. Because a stainless steel bowl, although it takes heat on fast, it will cool down fast as well. This is what I'm looking for right here. Look at that. Be patient. Like I said, this is one of the trickiest sauces. Be patient, get it nice and custardy looking. And it's getting there, right there. Almost. Wait for it. Take it off. I'm gonna turn the heat off. You don't need that much heat anymore. Ah, lovely. So what I got next to add to this masterpiece, I've got some warm butter. So I'm gonna take this off and bring it over here. I'll show you guys a quick trick. I got some warm melted butter. We're gonna continue adding this here. Now, we got a bowl. We cannot mix. This is gonna go all over the place. To stabilize this bowl, what we can do is this. Get a wet rag and create a little base. See that? It's not going nowhere. So from there, we're gonna start pouring, streaming this warm butter into this. So this is what this looks like. You start streaming in the butter slowly. This is what you call emulsifying. They're emulsifying this sauce. You don't want your butter to be super hot. If it's too hot, it could break this hollandaise sauce. So this is looking perfect. I'm just streaming it in slowly. flavor and flavor and more flavor. Look at that. Like I said, it's one of the most trickiest sauces, but if you do it right, I'm telling you, the whole world is gonna open up for you. Especially if you like eggs Benedict and all this other good stuff that Hollandaise comes with it, and the different ways you can make it. Oh my gosh, beautiful and glossy. Now to elevate this even more, we're gonna take some mango puree, put that in there. We got some rum. We're gonna kiss it with a little bit of salt and pepper, not much. And I got some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna give it just a little bite, but not to overpower. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Guys, the beauty of this, the beautiful, look up nice. Let me take a little taste. Perfect. The mango notes are shining through. The little hint of rum in there. This is all tropical. This is all Floribbean. This is what we do here on Chef Winston with Floridian Cuisine with Chef Winston. Hope you guys saw all three sauces that I made before. The first one was my creamy coconut bechamel sauce. That was amazing. The second sauce that I made was a jerk tomato veloute sauce. It's so multi-purpose. And this last one here, this mango rum hollandaise sauce is everything. Hope you guys can try each of these sauces. Make a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you think it's a winner for each of these sauces, please put the word winner at the bottom. And my community, my Floridian fusion foodies community is gonna be so great. All about connection. All of these recipes, we're gonna be doing some live cooking over there, sharing recipes, like-minded people who are in the same space as food and just wanna connect and get away from all of the extra fuss on Facebook and all those other things. This community is gonna be the spot for that. Looking forward for that. So guys, until next time, join me right here every week for another great, tasty episode. Cheers.